What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got a throwback, a Redcat throwback, and this is the Redcat Shredder 4S. I'm gonna take this out today to give it a nice little run because I haven't ran it in a while. Last time I ran it with the Machete, and today I want to run. I want to do a throwback Redcat series because I have a few older Redcats and I have a few newer Redcats, and I want to go through like the before and after of Redcat. I don't want y'all to think I'm sponsored by Redcat while I'm putting these videos out. This is all about me basically in the hobby. Not necessarily I'm supporting Redcat, but not because I'm getting paid for it, because I started off with a few Redcats, started off with a few Armors, started off with some lower than those at the time, and just want to take y'all back to how I started, what I started with. So today's topic gonna be the Shredder. And the Shredder had its issues, but the good part, it comes with 17mm hexes, and these tires are pretty good. They've been on the car since day one, not as dogs, because this doesn't have that much power, it's only 4S. So what we got on this car, just in case y'all haven't seen this before, which I guarantee tons of y'all seen this car before. We got this Lexan body. It's lasted through the years. I have no cracks in it. It still looks fairly good. Little, fade and paint job. Usually bodies of this year, how long I had this body, it would be cracked and broke somewhere, but well, actually I just felt the crack. I got a little crack right there. I guess I do got a little crack. That's not major. Yeah, but this car is stood up to me bashing it. But the gears are the weak point in this car. They are the weak point. The performance of this car is not bad. It's a little slow, but it's only 4S. As you see on the internals, you got plastic gears right there. I was trying to make it metal. That's why I cut this slit out right here. I'm running, this is not factory ESC. This is actually a Kyosho 4S ESC I got in here. Servo, of course, I changed the servo out. Got a Spectrum servo in there. This car has plastic all around. It only has aluminum shocks, aluminum brace, and aluminum chassis. It's the bottom of the chassis. I cut this slit out bigger because I had tried to put a bigger pin in there. I don't know what this stuff is on here. Aluminum threaded shocks. These is beefy shocks. The thing I don't like is these battery trays. You got metal center drive shaft. You got metal front and rear drive shafts. The battery tray is awful. If you can see, you only can use two 2S's in here. It don't give you room to use one big 4S or nothing like that. I may turn this into 6S. I may. I'm not even going to say I am. I may turn this into 6S, but I'm not too sure. I'm running this factory motor. Factory. Everything is basically factory. It's basically all factory. And this is one of my first big scale cars was Redcat. Redcat was like, they budget friendly. They're budget friendly. And like now they're budget friendly and they're coming up with good quality cars. And I repeat, I am not sponsored by these guys. You see in the back with my wing, you see how flexible that is? That thing is flexible. Can't imagine breaking it. But the reason being, because what I do with my cars, which I'm trying to slow down with it, but what I do with my cars, if I run, that's why this is so dusty and clunky. But I put I wash my cars, I wash them completely out. And then I put WD-40 all around. So this has been getting WD-40 for who knows how many years, at least 5-6 years, maybe more than that. It's been getting WD-40, and I must have put it on there and didn't wipe it back off. That's why it's so clunky, dusty. Now I got the Shredder next to the Machete and the Vigilante. As you can see, the Machete is smaller and the Vigilante is a little bit bigger, definitely wider. You see my cat trying to investigate cars. but the Machete sits way lower. I would do all that extra stuff, but y'all get what I'm saying. The shredder ain't that small. It's a nice size car. Yeah, but that's enough rapping. Let's take this bad boy out. Go charge up some 2S batteries, put my splitter on there, and see what she working with. So, without any further ado, got this ready. Yeah, them tires is off balance. Whoa, grass is way too high. Is a little beast there. Let's see if we can what I'm gonna do, try to see if I can jump it. Do my long jump. Of course, I missed that altogether. Oh, thing's a beast. She can't take too many more hits like that. See if I can get a jump right here. Can't remember where it's at. I think it's right about here. Guess that's as good as I'm gonna get. Yo, this grass is high. shredder is a classic though. I have to admit, that thing is a classic. Perfect. You definitely don't have enough push to back flip. Oh, that knocked that motor wire loose. Yeah, that was a monster jump with the shredder. Perfect. Oh. See if I can get underneath it. Perfect. Yo. I better take it easy because I haven't jumped this car like that. This is my first time jumping her. Perfect. Yo, she is taking it though. Perfect. Oh! Now this thing is a little beefy. I mean, don't got that much power. I think this will hit like maybe 45 miles an hour at most. Nothing special though. Let me see if it's going to hit a sideways. This looks like my sideways car. She ain't going to hit a sideways. I'm gonna wind up breaking this thing. All the way.
Game over.
Perfect. I'm all finished. The bash, the car is back, but not intact. So what we did was we stripped out the center. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try, because it looked like it may fit. I'm not sure, but I don't think it will fit. I think I tried that already. I'm gonna try a few different center diffs to see where to fit up in there, or at least see if I can change the gear out the metal. But see how it performed, not bad at all. 4S is slow, but it's still doable. But yeah, I like the performance, man. This thing is off the charts. But this is another one of my Redcats. This is a throwback video. I'm gonna have a few of those, but yeah. Tell me your thoughts. Did you ever own a shredder? Did you ever want a shredder? The shredder is pretty good, but it just needs some upgrades. Definitely needs some upgrades to be one of those cars right there. But this is discontinued, so whoever got one, there's nothing you can do with it now. You can still buy parts for it. Still got parts available. But don't too many people run these no more. But me, I run all my RCs. I don't care what it is. I'm gonna run my RCs. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Perfect.